I have gotten so many questions about how much does a revocable trust actually cost? And I know you're going to hate this answer, but it depends. But why is that? It is because it can be so complicated and depends on what kind of structure you actually put in place. And it's going to be flexible and depends on your family. So it can look simple like that on the left, or as you move towards the right, it can get a little bit crazier. It just depends on what you want for your family and your situation. So the better question to ask is the cost of not having a trust. So usually you are going to have to go through probate if you don't have a trust, and those assets going through probate determine the cost of because it's a percentage. So let's pretend we've got an average household and the house is $300,000. Bank accounts, let's say they have $50,000. For investments, let's say they have $100,000. And for personal property, those are items in the house. Let's say that totals $20,000, and vehicles will round it out to $30,000. And that brings us to $500,000 even. So probate cost is actually going to be 3 to 8%, and in this case, that means this is going to be $15,000 to $40,000. I guarantee you, your trust is going to be cheaper than that. If it's contested, that goes up. And if you're in Virginia, it takes 9 months to 2 years, and it's easier to contest because it's public. So if you have comments, please feel free and comment if you want to set up a phone call to get a quote. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.